It's your girl Race. Welcome to Beauty Clinic. Today's video, I'll be showing the procedure and the list of ingredients you need to make a glowing scrub. For the ingredients, we have sugar, we have coffee, we have Vaseline, vitamin E oil, almond oil, and shower gel. The ingredients and the measurements will be dropped after the video. Now let's go to procedure of how you can mix your body scrub. Get a clean bowl, pour in your sugar, pour in your coffee, then Vaseline. Mix it together. Make sure you mix it very well. Then add in your vitamin E oil, almond oil. Mix it again. Mix it very well. After doing that, then you get your shower gel. Pour in the shower gel. Mix it to form a thick paste, not watery, please. Thick paste to make a paste. So after that, you mix. When I say mix, you mix it very well so that you won't have some lumps after mixing your scrub. So after mixing it very well, then you set it aside. Cover it for 24 hours before usage. That's all. Video will be how to make your glowing oil with just 3 ingredients. Something that you can afford. You don't have to break your bank account before you can get that glass skin glowing oil. So see you next time. Bye for now. Love you all. Please keep staying beautiful. I love you.